I'm cooking a Filipino dish, a pork adobo. I have to remove the fats, make it golden brown. Now it's a bit golden brown, but we have to remove more fats on it. Now it's golden brown and it's ready. Okay na to lagyan ng mga other ingredients. So these are the other ingredients or spices for the dish that I'm cooking. Soya, vinegar, pepper, little bit chili. I think chili I like spicy. Laurel leaves. Sugar. Black bean. Layo naman siya. You have to cook it slowly so that it's soft. After 10 minutes, this is it. Now it's time to put the soak banana blossom because it was dried. Just soak it with water. Last natin ilagay. You have to cook it some more, few minutes. Sarap. Luto na ang adobo. Humba yan. Ikay ng humba. Ganyan yung humba. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.